Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. There are two areas where we have critical fire weather series today. One covering southeastern Wyoming and northwestern Nebraska. The second critical fire risk today covers parts of east central New Mexico and parts of the panhandle of Texas. Cities in the critical fire weather risk areas today include Amarillo, Texas, Pampa, Texas, Scottsbluff, Nebraska, Hereford, Texas, and Dumas, Texas. And there are two areas where we have elevated fire weather risk areas today. One covering parts of southeast Wyoming, far southwestern South Dakota, and parts of Nebraska. And the second elevated fire risk today covers south central Colorado, parts of northeast New Mexico, parts of northwest Texas, and west central Oklahoma. So in synopsis, split mid-level flow will continue over the U.S. today as an upper low moves into the southwest and a second upper trough crosses the northern Rockies. Surface cyclogenesis across the high plains will support another day of diurnally enhanced westerly downslope flow over regions with receptive fuels. Elevated to critical fire weather conditions are possible. Central high plains. Ahead of the northern upper trough, initial cyclogenesis should continue as a trailing lead trough deepens over the high plains. Westerly low-level winds are expected to increase near the surface low and will peak during the late afternoon hours. Sustained winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour, with relative humidity minimums falling to near 20% are expected. Despite some recent precipitation, fine fuels are receptive after multiple days of persistent downslope winds, supporting widespread elevated and fire weather conditions this afternoon across portions of eastern Wyoming into western and central Nebraska. Fire weather conditions will end overnight as a cold front associated with the departing surface low moves southward, ushering in cooler air over the central plains. Southern high plains. Lead troughing south of the deepening surface low will support 15 to 25 mile per hour westerly winds across northeast New Mexico into the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles this afternoon. Dry air advecting and downsloping into the region today will promote relative humidity minimums in the single digits to low teens. A swath of critical fire weather conditions appear likely from northeast New Mexico into the Texas panhandle under a belt of stronger flow aloft. Despite precipitations in the last several days, continued drying and downslope winds will support drying of fine fuels and elevated locally critical fire weather conditions into parts of western Oklahoma. So, that's your Day 1 fire weather outlook. Remain safe and vigilant in these areas today. And if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, flashlights, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, phone chargers, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice. Because fires can start and spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. As one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start, and spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit. Because one, that's littering. Two, one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, remain safe and vigilant in these areas today, and I'll see you in my Day 1 severe weather outlook, which will come out very soon. Take care.